All right, my loves, I'm coming through with another one of my favorite things. And yes, it is a Nadula hair no slip technology Yaki straight wig. Let's get into it. Hey, my loves, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another one from Nadula Hair. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. Come on into the room. I am going to be doing another unit that I feel like is my favorite. I was so graciously provided a Yaki straight wig. Okay, this is the no slip technology, which we're really excited about. So this unit is 24 inches. Get into her. Okay. She has a 7 by 5 lace closure as well as a lace band. Now, this will help us with that no slip tech that we're really looking forward to in a drawstring. There are no combs in this unit, and what they are telling us is that it don't need to be no combs. We're going to put this unit to the test because they said no slip, and I'm coming here only with wigs that I could put my name by because I ain't got to take no time to be wasting yours or mine, okay? So I'm coming on through. I'm going to throw this unit on my head. We're going to give you two styles so we can see what she's working with. Again, this is a Yaki straight. She's currently going for around $215, but don't you worry. I'll leave all the information in the description box below. Check out Nadula.com. Well, let me save that. Let's put the wig on first. Okay, let's get into the details of this unit. First of all, look at this Mammy Tapman lace. I did go on through with my Ruby Kisses and darken up this lace because she desperately needed it. I cannot believe how much this is already looking so good. We're going to do something really simple for the first look, just a straight, bone straight look. I'm going to use my Andy straightening comb just to go on through and make sure that this unit is laid down. Okay, are you picking up what I'm putting down? Look at that no slip technology. They are saying that if you get into the tussle, baby, this wig will stay up on your Mammy Tap Me head. Now, how much do y'all believe that? I did yank it a bit, but I'm just trying to say, like, is she going to stay? Right now, I'm doing a lot to her and she has not moved yet. And that says quite a bit, being as though we have worn glueless wigs before and decided mid-install we just gonna glue that mother jumper down. Now I'm going on through with my babyless crimpers just to give this a light crimp. I'm just giving it literally 5 seconds on each row, okay, and then I'm working my way right on down. This is a super detailed style. If you are going into the salon and getting crimps, I hope they charge your ass up because this took me way longer than I expected, and I didn't end up eating breakfast until 1:30 p.m. Okay, child. Now here it's like 11 o'clock, but I went through and took my time getting through this, but that waiting 5 seconds for it to warm and making sure everything was sprayed out, I don't know who told me to do this style and why I had so much time to do it. Now I'm going on through and getting these curls right on together because I want to give y'all another look and she's going to be sexy. This made the install to me look even more natural coming straight out the scalp. Now this no slip technology also makes for a very, very secure install. And I must say, that means a lot because I truly want to wear my units glueless. I do not want any glue, and this unit made that possible. I told you all I'm only coming through with units that I absolutely positively love, and I must say, this one has taken the cake. She did not shed, she did not tangle, and she said she was up for every single adventure I wanted to take her on, and that's all we can ask out of a unit that's over $200. Okay, so I'm back. I just added like a little crimp. I wanted like a very effortless wave. So if you want a more defined curl, you keep your crimp on for a lot longer. I just went through boom, 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 okay? Just to make sure that this will give me like a nice little crimp, effortless look. Very natural looking. Look at that lace. Get into that. This again is that no slip technology. I can get the Tesla up in this hoe, okay? She is rearing and ready to go. She is a wear and go unit, obviously. Yaki straight, 24 inches. And she's currently going for around $220. But again, like I said earlier, I'll have the links in the bio so you guys can get this for whatever price they're going to give it to you for, because I am in the season of only bringing you stuff I'm absolutely in love with, and this is my hair. This is my hair, darling. This is all me. That no slip technology really does work. I went out, and one of my biggest issues with glueless wigs is that they slip. They slide. I go to the bathroom, the shit is back here. That's something that I can't get with, and I don't always love to glue down my wigs, and this is literally created to mitigate that, okay? So you don't even have to worry about that. This shit gonna stay up on your mammy tape here. You use that drawstring in the back, baby. Tighten her the hell up. I just snap this on the back of my head and keep it moving, okay? So I really don't have anything else to say. I think that this unit is really beginner friendly. This no slip technology is for girls who just want to throw their shit on and go. You got to hit the office, go. You got to hit the Dunkin', go. You got to hit the happy hour, go. You got to hit the mall, go. You got to hit the shopping, go. You picking up what I'm putting down? I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. I gave you guys 2 looks, really effortless and easy. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.